Baik, selamat pagi semua ya. Hari ini kita akan memulai ya pelajaran additional math ya. I will explain about chapter 7. That's this chapter about polynomials and the remainder theorem, atau kalau dalam bahasa Indonesianya polynomials itu suku banyak ya. Remainder itu sisa ya. Jadi ini kalau di dalam bahasa Indonesia suku banyak dan teorema sisa. Nah, sekarang saya akan jelaskan lebih dulu apa itu suku banyak ya. Sebuah suku banyak itu pada prinsipnya merupakan sebuah fungsi ya, fungsi dari ya polinomial suku banyak ya. Jadi kalau kita punya sebuah polinomial ya dengan derajat n with n degree in one variable of x ya, itu bentuk umumnya seperti itu. So fx sama dengan an x pangkat n ditambah an min 1 x pangkat n min 1 ditambah an min 2 x pangkat n min 2 dan seterusnya sampai nanti plus a1x plus a0 ya. Tentu saja kita tahu apabila n-nya itu 1 berarti polinomial itu merupakan linear function ya. Kalau n-nya 2 berarti sampai di sini. So the polynomial is a quadratic function dan seterusnya ya. Dimana n itu adalah bilangan bulat positif, non-negative integer ya. N, an minus 1 until a0 are konstanta ya. Commonly known as a coefficient. Jadi seringkali juga disebut sebagai coefficient of the respective terms. The value of polynomial fx at x equal to a is fa ya. It's very simple ya, sangat sederhana. I will give you example. Given that fx to x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 9 ya. Find the value of fx when x equal to 3. So here the value of fx when x equal to 3 is f3. What does it mean? F3, it means that we replace x here by 3. So we get 2 times 3 cube plus 5 times 3 square minus 4 times 3 plus 9. Or equal to 2 times 27 is 54 plus 45 minus 12 plus 9 ya. Or we can evaluate directly, equal to 99 minus 12 87 ya, and plus 9 ya. Berapa ini? 99 dikurangi 12 ya, 87 ditambah 9 berarti 96. Okay. B, how about f negative 2? Yeah. F negative 2, so it means that we replace x by negative 2, so equal to 2 times minus 2 cube plus 5 times minus 2 square minus 4 times minus 2 plus 9, or equal to minus 8 times 2 minus 16 plus 20 plus 8 plus 9 ya, or equal to 4, 12 and 21 ya. So for C and D you can do by yourself for exercise, right? For x equal to negative half and for x equal to square root 3 minus 1. Okay, I think this is very simple, not no problem here. Okay. So I will continue, yeah. I will continue, yeah, about the equality of two polynomials, yeah. Wait, I will copy. Okay, like this. Suppose we have two polynomials fx equal to an x power n and blah blah blah, gx equal to bn x power n plus bn minus 1 x power n minus 1 blah blah blah, ya, with the same degree, ya, derajatnya harus sama, ya. Then fx equal to gx if and only if ai equal to bi for I equal to 1, 2, 3 until n. Artinya apa di sini? Dua polinomial, katakanlah fx, an x pangkat n plus an min 1 x pangkat n min 1 dan seterusnya sampai ditambah a0. Kemudian kita punya polinomial gx, bn x pangkat n ditambah bn min 1 x pangkat n min 1 sampai b0. Maka fx itu dikatakan sama dengan gx apabila setiap koefisien dari x yang bersesuaian sama. Artinya koefisien x kuadrat sama dengan koefisien x kuadrat. Ya, pada fx juga koefisien x kuadrat pada gx itu sama. Setiap x-nya sama. Maka dua polinomial itu dikatakan sama. Oke? Now, I will continue. Ya. Now we talk about polynomial division, ya. Apa itu bahasa Indonesianya, ya? Pembagian polinomial. Ya. Pembagian polinomial. Oke. I will erase it. Saya hapus. Oke, like this. Polynomial division, ya. Misalkan kita mempunyai dua polinomial, ya, polinomial fx dan polinomial gx, masing-masing m degree and n degree respectively. Jadi yang ini pangkatnya adalah pangkat m, yang gx pangkatnya pangkat n, dengan catatan m lebih besar sama dengan n, ya, where m more than or equal n. Now, if we divided fx by gx, then the quotient itu apa ya? Hasil bagi, ya. Nah, jadi the quotient is polynomial qx with m minus n degree, and the remainder is polynomial rx with n minus 1 degree. Yeah. And we can make a equality, ya, that fx equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. Ya, divisor itu apa, ya? Pembagi kali hasil bagi ditambah sisa. Or fx equal to gx times qx plus rx. Ya, jadi divisornya, pembaginya tadi adalah gx, hasil baginya qx, dan sisanya adalah rx. Ya. Now the important point is how to make a polynomial division. Jadi bagaimana kita mengerjakan sebuah pembagian polinomial. Kalau dua angka dibagi mudah, ya. I give you for example like this. Yeah. I take put here for example 57 divided by 7. No, not 7. 11 for example. Yeah. 57 divided by 11. So, if we divided 57 by 11, so the quotient must be 4. Yeah. Wrong? Ya, salah, ya. Yang betul berapa? Yang betul 5, right? 57 divided by 11 is 5. And then 5 times 11 is 55. Ya. Semoga nggak ada yang ngantuk ya mendengarkan saya ngajar secara online ini ya. Karena saya tidak bisa mengawasi Anda semua, jadi tolong Anda manfaatkan waktu ini dengan sebaik-baiknya ya. Karena saya tidak bisa mengawasi mana yang ngantuk, mana yang tidur ini ya, yang biasanya tidur di kelas, saya tidak bisa mengawasi. Oke. Now, I subtract 57 subtract by 55 ya, equal to, so 5 is called the quotient and 2 equal called remainder. Yeah. Okay. Now we do the same things, but now the divisor, jadi pembagi maupun yang dibaginya itu adalah polynomials. Ya. To find the quotient and remainder of polynomial division, we can use two methods. First, we use long division. This is the general method. Ya. Second, we use synthetic division or Horner division. Okay. I give you example like this. Find the quotient and remainder when fx equal to 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus 5x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Okay. Find the quotient and remainder when fx equal to 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus 5x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So, first I use long division. Yeah. I use long division. Ya, jadi pembagian panjang. Kalau orang Jawa bilang ini apa ya? Porogapit. Nah, kalau dulu waktu saya sekolah ini guru saya nyebutnya porogapit. Ya, jadi seperti ini. 2x cubed plus 8 square plus 5x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Ya. Nah, sekarang Anda perhatikan x-nya di sini karena itu key-nya, kuncinya di situ, ya. First, we divided 2x cubed by x. Ya. If we divided 2x cubed by x, so the quotient must be 2x squared. Okay? 2x squared. And then we multiply 2x squared with x minus 2. Yeah, we multiply 2x squared by x minus 2. So we get 2x cubed minus 4x squared. And then subtract, dikurangi. Yeah. So we can cancel 2x cubed. Yeah. 8x squared minus 4x squared equal to 12x squared plus 5x minus 2. Okay. And then we divided 12x squared to x. So we get 12x plus 12x. Okay. And then we multiply 12x by x minus 2, so we get 12x squared minus 24x. And then subtract again. Yeah, we can cancel 12x squared. Yeah. So we get 5 minus 24 is 29x minus 2. And then we divided 29x by x, so equal to plus 29. Yeah. And then we multiply 29 by x minus 2, so we get 29x minus 58. And then we subtract, cancel, equal to 56. So the quotient equal to 2x squared plus 12x plus 29, and the remainder is 56. Yeah, 56. If you have any question, you can chat me directly via Google Classroom, right? Now this is the first method. That's a long division. So I will explain the second method. Ya, this called Horner. Ya, disebut sebagai pembagian Horner. Horner division. Yeah. So I make scheme like this. Plus here, this is always, always plus. Yeah. And then we write the coefficient of fx here. Yeah. Start from highest degree to lowest degree. Yeah. So start from x cubed, the coefficient is 2. And then the coefficient of x squared is 8. And then the coefficient of x is 5. And the fixed term is negative 2. Okay. Divided by x minus 2. So we see minus 2 here. If minus 2 here, then we write 2 here. So if here x plus 1, so this is negative 1. If x minus 5, so here is 5. Ya, dan seterusnya. Jadi saya ulang, kalau di sini x min 2, kita ambil min 2-nya. Kalau di sini min 2, berarti di sini plus 2, jadi negatifnya. Automatically kalau di sini x plus 3 misalnya, berarti di sini min 3, ya. So the first step, ya, I move to here. Jadi pertama 2 saya turunin ke sini, saya turunkan ke sini. And then multiply 2 by 2, ya, so equal to 4. Yeah. And then 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Okay. And then multiply 2 by 12 here equal to 24. 5 plus 24 equal to 29. Okay, and then 2 times 29 is 58. Minus 2 plus 58 is 56. The last number is remainder. And the number here is coefficient of qx. So qx equal to 2x squared from here plus 12x plus 29. Yeah. And the remainder is 56. I think the same result, ya, hasilnya sama, ya. Nah, but Horner division has a weakness, ya. Jadi pembagian Horner ini punya kelemahan. Apa kelemahannya? Dia tidak bisa dipakai, ya, apabila pembaginya bukan linear. Jadi pembagian Horner ini hanya bisa dipakai kalau pembaginya linear. Kalau kuadratik atau kubik nggak bisa. Nah, kalau long division, saya katakan tadi long division itu adalah general method, berarti artinya dia bisa dipakai untuk semua keadaan. Ya, itu bedanya antara long division dengan Horner division. Ya, I give you another example. Find the quotient the remainder when fx equal to x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 6x square minus 2x plus 8 divided by 2x minus 1. Okay. Okay. First, I will use long division. Long division. So make a scheme like this ya. Kalau bahasa Jawanya porogabit ini ya. Kalau bahasa Indonesianya ya pembagian gitu aja ya, nggak ada nama spesifiknya ya. Nah, berarti di sini kita tulis x pangkat 4 plus 2x pangkat 3 plus 6x kuadrat min 2x plus 8 divided by 2x minus 1. Okay, now I will explain you slowly ya, saya akan coba pelan-pelan ya. The key is 2x ya, the key is 2x. X power 4, x power 4 divided by 2x equal to half x cube. Okay, half x cube. Half x cube multiplied by 2x minus 1 is x power 4 minus half x cube. Okay, and then subtract, we can cancel. 2x cube minus half x cube equal to 5 over 2x cube plus 6x square minus 2x plus 8. Okay, 5 over 2 x cube divided by 2x is 5 over 4 x square. Okay, 5 over 4 x square, and then multiply by 2x minus 2, we get 5 over 2 x cube minus 5 over 4 x square. Okay, subtract again, we can cancel, so we get 29, yeah, right? 24 plus 5, 29 over 4 x square minus 2x plus 8. Okay, and then we divided 29 over 4x square by 2x, so equal to 29 over 8x, yeah, and then multiply by 2x minus 1, we get 29 over 4 x square minus 29 over 8x, yeah, subtract again, yeah, cancel, yeah, so equal to 29 minus 16, yeah, minus 16, so 13 over 8x plus 8. Okay, and then we divide it again, 13 over 8x divided by 2x, so equal to 13 over 16, yeah, and then multiply by 2x minus 1, we get 13 over 8x minus 13 over 16. Okay, subtract again, we get cancel this, and 128 plus 13, so 141 over 16. This is the quotient, this is the remainder. Okay, Now, the second method I will explain using Horner division. Okay, number 2, we use Horner division. So, I make scheme like this. Plus sign here, always plus, don't forget, never minus, right? So I write the coefficient of fx here, start from highest degree to lowest degree. So the coefficient of x power 4 is 1, coefficient of x cubed is 2, coefficient of x squared is 6, coefficient of x is negative 2, and the fixed term is 8, right? 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, minus 2, 8. Okay, divided by 2x minus 1. Yeah, divided by 2x minus 1. First, I write 2x minus 1 like this, or 2 times x minus half. So, take the minus half here. If minus half, so I write half here. Yeah. For example, if 2x plus 3, so equal to 2 times x plus 3 over 2. So you must write minus 3 over 2 here. Oke. Jadi kalau di sini 2x min 1 bisa saya faktorkan menjadi 2 kali x min setengah. Nah, min setengahnya ini yang kita ambil. Kalau min setengah berarti di sini plus setengah. Oke. The first step, saya turunkan dulu 1 here. And then multiply by half equal to half. 2 plus half is 5 over 2. Half times 5 over 2 is 5 over 4. 6 plus 5 over 4 is 29 over 4. Yeah, like this. Half times 29 over 4 is 29 over 8. Yeah. Minus 2 plus 29 over 8 is 29 minus 16, 13 over 8, and the last is 13 over 16. So if we plus here, equal to 128 plus 13, 141 over 16. So the last number is remainder, yeah, and this is the coefficient of quotient, ya, koefisien hasil bagi. Nah, sekarang saya ajak Anda semua berpikir, so Qx equal to x cube plus 5 over 2 x square plus 29 over 4x plus 13 over 8, and the remainder is 141 over 16. But now we have the same remainder but the different quotient. Because the quotient here, if we use long division, is half x cubed plus 5 over 4 x squared plus 29 over 8x plus 13 over 16. Nah, pertanyaan saya, kenapa kok beda? Mana yang salah? Apakah long division ataukah Horner division? Kira-kira bagaimana? Ya, menurut kamu mana yang salah? Apakah long ataukah Horner? Ya, nggak ada yang salah. Dua-duanya benar. Cuman sekarang for Horner division, ya. Nah, kamu perhatikan di sini. Ini tadi kan dikalikan 2, right? So we must divide it by 2 here. Ya, we must divide it by 2. Equal to half x cubed plus 5 over 4 x squared plus 29 over 8x plus 13 over 16. Ya, nah kalau seperti ini kita peroleh jawaban yang sama, ya, the equal answer, ya. Nah, okay. If you have question, you can chat me, ya, via Google Classroom, ya. Nah, nanti untuk for your homework, I think you can do page 56 ya, number 1 until 5 ya, number 1 until 5 ya. Oke, nggak usah dikumpulin, kamu kerjakan saja sebagai latihan ya. Saya ulang, nanti untuk homeworknya you do page 56 ya. Ya, 56, number 1 until 5. Maybe I will give you one more example. That's number 1 ya. 1A ya. I will give you example. Okay. In its following identities, find the value of A, B, C, and D if exists ya, and R ya. Jadi tentukan nilai dari A, B, C ya. X cube minus X square minus 2X plus 12 ya, identical with X plus 2 times AX square plus BX plus C plus R. So it's mean this is the divisor, this is the quotient, this is the remainder, right? Ya, remember that ini tadi yang saya jelasin ya, fx equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. So I choose Horner ya. Start here, the coefficient of x cube is 1, minus 1, minus 2, and 12, plus here. This is x plus 2, so I should write minus 2 here. Yeah, and then the first, saya turunkan satunya, 1 here. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 2 times minus 3 is 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4, minus 2 times 4 is minus 8, and 12 plus minus 8 is 4. The last number is quotient. So, A equal to 1, B equal to negative 3, C equal to 4, and R equal to 4. I think very easy, yeah? Okay? Okay guys? You can do the homework, ya. Jaga kesehatan, ya. We can dismiss now. Okay, thank you, bye bye.